So as you can see here, Menasor is taller than Superion. For me, that's a problem. It needs to be addressed. While Menasor is made up of land vehicles, cars, and a truck, Superion should be taller simply because he's made up of planes. Not really to be taller, but somehow of the same height with Menasor here. With this height difference, something has to be done.
Incoming transmissions. Defensor and Superion.
Protect and serve, Optimus. That's our job.
Like Defensor, we are here to help too. You don't have to do this alone.
In order to address the height difference between Superion and Menasor, I 3D designed and printed these knee extenders. I'm not a professional 3D design artist. I just use Tinkercad, and the material I use is resin. It's very tough, very durable, and you have to do some measurements. And I have a caliper. I even use a measuring tape. So yeah, I have a pair of these. The combiner ports here is almost the same with the combiner ports of those the gestalts we have here. So that's how compatible they are. You know, they can slide with each other. You can use these with other combiners to make them somehow taller. So how to use this knee extenders? Very easy. It's self-explanatory. Just slide it. This one here. Okay. All right. Do the same thing with the other leg. Okay. And of course, yeah. Put them all together. Slide it inside Superion's thigh. Okay, there you go. How does it look from the back? Yes, like that with those silver bolt fists hanging like that.
You beat Master. Now, see if you can beat me!
So after the installation of the 3D printed knee extenders, the problem is solved. They're now almost of the same height. I don't know who is taller, but it doesn't matter. I'm very happy with the results. I hope you enjoyed this short video I made. Thank you for watching. Show support by subscribing to this channel. And again, this is Nutahalo Transformers Generation 0. Till all are one.